Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today is a quick video. I will be making a vitamin C gel cream, a very lightweight, very moisturizing and one of my favorite creams. But this is something which I'm making a very small batch for myself, for my personal use. So I thought let me share the making with you all. So what we are going to be using for this is, here I have my gelling agent. Since this is a gel cream, I have gone ahead and used Sepimax Zen in this as my gelling agent. I have added it to my water, a little bit of glycerin, and whatever active ingredients you wish to add, you can add. I have gone ahead and added vitamin C. And here I have my oil phase. In my oil phase, I have my emulsifier, I have my couple of plant-based silicons, I have my esters. I have taken all that in my oil phase. You all can take any oil, any emulsifier of your choice if you want to make a simple gel cream. So we will quickly go ahead and heat both these phases so that all the emulsifier melts, and then we'll make the cream. So we've heated both the phases, and now I'm going to add this water phase into this oil phase. And we'll just give it a quick blend. Little. Okay, so now the rest I will go ahead and just blend it with the spatula. Don't use a high shear blender, it gets very difficult to blend a small batch. So I will just do this with the spatula itself. Okay, so after mixing this well, this is how the gel cream looks like. It has got a very nice gel consistency. And in this we are going to go ahead and add our extracts. I have gone ahead and weighed out my extracts already. Here I'm using some calendula and chamomile extract. And here I have my preservative. And we will go ahead and mix this well. Make sure after you add your any extracts, or even after you're adding your preservative, you do the mixing really well so that it nicely blends with the cream. And here for the fragrance, I'm going to be adding a little bit rose fragrance, just a little, because I don't like my creams to have a very strong fragrance. So I'm just adding few rose fragrance oil drops, and just a tinge, just to give it a light pink color, I have gone ahead and added pink color. And we'll go ahead and give this a mix. Okay, so I have gone ahead and thoroughly mixed this gel cream here, and if you all can see, the final consistency looks something like this, a lovely gel consistency. And even on application, this is very lightweight. If you see, it has a very lightweight consistency, a gel consistency, absorbs very well in the skin and leaves an absolutely non-greasy finish on the skin. So friends, if you do like my videos, if you like what I share with you all, please like, subscribe and share my channel with your friends as well. Thank you so much everyone.